Hey guys, welcome back to Tomorrow Day Farms. Today is Frugal Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of your pantry staples, a little bit of fresh stuff, and make a meal for under 10 bucks. Alright guys, so what I have here is just a little bit of onion. We're going to make pad thai out of some pantry staples. So here is some of that barbecue chicken that we did together. I drained it off. I kept the broth because I'll make gravy out of it tomorrow for tomorrow night's dinner. And then my little quarter can here. And just some bean sprouts. I already cooked the rice noodles, so you just cook them until they're cooked, and then it's the one noodle you actually do rinse, which is crazy. So we buy things like this when they're on sale for, like, right now they're $1.88 at the No Frills. So we buy those. And what this does is it just gives you a little bit more regarding your pantry, okay? This isn't like something we eat every week or anything like that, but to make to get all the spices and everything, you can't make it for $1.88. And when you're trying to cook things that expand your pantry for $1.88, those are fantastic. Okay, there's really good stuff in here. I've never had a problem buying the VH. And our canned chicken, I will link that. That's the one that we barbecued, so it's going to give it that nice flavor. So what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of oil in the bottom of my pan here. I'm just going to pick you up and move you guys, because this is how quick this is. Okay, sorry for the shakiness, guys. I'm gonna flip. Guys, it is hot in here today. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute up these onions. And it's just a half a red onion. And making pad thai at home is easy. I don't know, I get bored of the same things all the time. So that's why I love having these kind of sauces in our pantry. You'll see in our pantry tour that I buy them quite often when they're on sale, and it just, you're just like, I want something different. Sometimes these are the best things ever, and for under 10 bucks, like not even close to 10 bucks. So, and you're using your canning, which is great. I'm sure you can hear our dog. It is, I think it's 27 degrees today with then humidity on top, so it's fairly warm. Now, I will a lot of times take my cast iron outside if we want pad thai, and I'll cook it on the barbecue. But it's full sun where the barbecue is right now, so it's no better. So I'm just going to let these soften, and then I'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so here we have our onions. Super simple, right? Some people even can these onions. That would even be even faster, right? So now I'm going to add the rice noodles. Hoping my pot is big enough here. Beautiful rice noodles. And I have my burner on. I'm going to turn it down to touch 4. So medium. Alright. Now, we're going to add this sauce. And some bean sprouts. The directions are even on the side of the bottle. Okay? You can actually wash these bottles and keep them. They're great for like salad dressings and stuff. that I make. Alright. I think this could get a little tricky, but... So I'm doubling this to feed all of us. You just want to pull the rice noodles up. Pad Thai at home. Last time Michael bought Pad Thai, it was $12 for one serving. I'm feeding our entire family for less than $10. Okay, let's get that chicken in there. Beautiful chicken. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now I just have to add the bean sprouts. Heat everything through. I already have peanuts cut. You can put peanuts on top if you'd like. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's awesome. Michael is so excited. He loves Pad Thai. You can do this with shrimp. If you have shrimp in your freezer. I just want to make sure every noodle has a little bit of that sauce, because that sauce is really good. Now let's add some of these bean sprouts, because that's just right at the end. We'll have a stir fry this week and use those up. These were $1, these bean sprouts. Normally with Frugal Friday, I try to go out and, for everybody, right? If you have chicken breasts in your freezer, just chop them up, and when you add the vegetable oil and the onions, just cook the chicken at that time, okay? But I have that really nice canned chicken, and which just makes our meal just a little more frugal. But if you have chicken breasts at home, just use those. I love bean sprouts on top of a salad. They're so delicious. Okay. Whoop. Gotta clean my stove now. Alright. What I'm going to do, guys, is put a few more bean sprouts in there. And then I am going to plate this up, and Michael's going to try it. Alright, guys, Michael's going to try it.
She's making me.
Oh, it hurts your feelings to eat the Pad Thai.
It does. I don't like Pad Thai at all.
You want your peanuts?
It's good. It's got a little spiciness to it. It's just all around good. Like, who cannot like Pad Thai? You add peanuts to it, makes it even better. But on that note, I'm gonna go stuff my face.
Hang on,
Good
guys.
night, guys.
Oh, and my poppy. Here, Michael. Can you do this part? Alright, guys, I have a quick question. Michael and I are getting close to our 500 subscriber, which I think is absolutely amazing. So these are live wood boards from the Amish here, and I was wondering, what do you guys think about doing a giveaway when we get to 500 with these live cutting boards? There's all different kinds. I would get one for the US people and one for the Canadians, and then we would ship them out to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I thought this would be something really kind of cool. Like I said, there are different ones, so I just thought this would be a really cool idea.
We can take a picture of which ones there are.
Yeah, and then you guys can let us know.
Whoever wins can say which one they want.
Yeah, yeah. So, anyways, let me know what you guys think about that. And thanks for hanging out with us tonight. Thanks for hanging out with us for Frugal Friday. And I will leave the recipe and everything below. And we will see you super, super soon. Bye.